Hello guys, I am Shubham from Traders Blog and today we are attending Shanky's trading seminar at Goa. Today we will be discussing some important aspects of trading and risk assessment involved in trading.
And you can see that there is a buy sell signal coming in, right?
Now I'm the only one.
So you can just check out over here that you got a buy sell signals here over here. This is the previous day's logic over here. That you got a buy sell signals are coming in. So when you get this sell signal, okay, just watch out, because see, if you got a sell signal over here, but see. So whenever this scenario happens, so 300 point upper, if the strike price is at 32,000, okay, so 32,300, 37,700, 300 डिफरेंस आता है. अगर एक 300 पे है और दूसरा है 240 पे, दोनों को आके मिलन होना ही है 320 को. दिस इज अ डिफरेंट ट्रिक. गॉट इट? सो व्हेन यू नो दैट ये 300 ऊपर आता ही है, यू कैन बाय दिस साइड एट 330 आल्सो. सो यू गाइस आर विलिंग टू गो फॉर दैट 10 ट्रिक. सो हाउ मच पॉइंट यू आर गेटिंग? 40-50 तो ऐसे ही मिल गया ना. व्हाई यू वांट द 10 ट्रिक?
What's your name? How did you feel after connecting with Shanky Trading? Yeah. And what about today's session? It was fun, huh? You got to learn new things?
Yeah.
Got the new tricks, na?
New tricks, no, yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Siddharth. Today's session was really nice. A one-night hotel stay, and also all of the indicators are like really nice. But I need to practice all of them as Shanky said. See how it is.
My name is Surya. Session was really great and got to learn so many things from Shanky. And
Okay. A bit louder.
okay, the indicators are really good and they are working good for me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ashok. First of all, thank you to Shanky and Shanky's team for organizing this event because
you're
the
welcome.
knowledge what we gain here is really awesome. I haven't seen such a kind of a person across market, to be very honest. The kind of feedback what Shanky gives and the kind of knowledge what he shares is really remarkable. Thank you so much for this.
My name is Nanolok from Pune. लॉस होता था वो हम नहीं करेंगे आगे जाके. ज़्यादा थोड़ा पॉइंट निकल के बाहर निकलेंगे और प्रॉफिट बनाएंगे. बहुत अच्छा लगा ये.
Hello, my name is Shivaji. This session is very awesome. Practically जो indicators करते हैं और जो भी काम करते हैं, RSI जो डाइवर्सन, वो जो बहुत अच्छा मिला. उसमें से जो लॉस होने का चांसेस 99% नहीं है, 99% प्रॉफिट ही हो सकता है अगर प्रॉपरली यूज़ करें और थोड़े पॉइंट पे काम करें तो ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट हो सकता है. थैंक यू फॉर Shanky sir and his teams.
Hi guys, this is Krishna here. Shanky Trading is really awesome. See, whatever he is teaching, nobody will teach you. I have seen a lot of YouTubes and a lot of people in market who is really experienced, but the real experience is coming from Shanky is really remarkable. So you can see nobody will teach you all these secrets, revealing in a single day. And this seminar is really awesome. Seminar is the place where you can get little bit closer to the Shanky. Even if you are a free viewer, you can get a lot of things. But this will give you a chance to know more about the markets. You can ask your doubts. Still, he is giving the whenever you're asking doubt, he is ready to give any kind of suggestions and ideas. But still, seminar we have just came here and we had a very good buffet and evening we are going to buy a cocktail party. Everything, nothing is going in his pocket. Whatever you are going to pay in the seminar, and you can utilize this thing. I have really utilized and it's really useful. Hopefully, we are doing seminar for the within a couple of months in Bangalore. So we'll see you guys.
This is Venkat. Thanks for the Shanky team for organizing this seminar. The whole session went very well. It's very knowledgeable. Whatever he shared was very much appreciated.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Saija Wagis. This seminar was really good and I'm looking for more seminar from Shanky and I think I'll make a good use of this seminar.
Thank you.
It was very helpful for us, the session, and the indicators are very great. They are too powerful for us.
I guess
विवेक
I
कैसा
don't
है
have that
रेंज कैरी
knowledge to
करता है तो
give the
ऊपर आधा
feedback
पॉजिटिव है
actually.
नीचे गया तो नेगेटिव है वही बात
Hi, I'm Karthik. Today's session was really great, and just to summarize everything, if you want to know the complex market in just 5 to 10 minutes, then Shanky is the best.
हर दिन चलेगा
Thank you, guys.
14 का 14 जैन का
session was
मंडे
very helpful to
मंडे को
know new
24 जैन का
indicators
एक्सरसाइज
and
चला
yeah, counter profitable
21 जैन
indicators and everything.
ठीक है तभी वो वॉल्यूम आएगा
So you got to learn new things now here.
Hi guys, I'm with Balaji after party session and I want to know his feedback for the seminar today. What I learned is the best thing is how to put a stop loss, how to reduce the loss and how to make profit. The first thing was tinted ring and today we learned something very different which we can make very good targets in the future. So Shanky is superb, his stamina is superb and still he can make to learn people too much, anything like anything. So Balaji, how do you connect with? Okay, I'm trading since 8 years, but I never learned so many tricks from Shanky. Like the research what he did in stocks and trading and everything. Is superb. I am from IT. I left my IT job and now I am doing full-time trading. I enjoy trading. I enjoy trading with Shanky only, live trading, and I'm making good profits, both in equity as well as options and futures. Thank you. Thanks.
You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.